Black Friday is here, and Amazon's deals are hotter than ever. From cutting-edge tech to must-have home upgrades, I've handpicked 6 incredible gadgets you won't want to miss. Whether you're looking to level up your gaming, create a cozy vibe, or power up your adventures, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in and make your Black Friday shopping list smarter than ever. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer redefines fast and precise printing. With an impressive 500 mm per second or high-speed printing and 35 mm per square swing extrusion flow, it delivers exceptional detail at 0.1 mm precision. It's designed to save time while maintaining quality, making it perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. Want to create in one click? With the AnkerMake app, you can print ready-made models instantly and monitor your prints from any device. Whether it's a fun toy or a detailed prototype, you're in control, anytime, anywhere. Get started hands-free in just 15 minutes. The 7x7 auto-leveling feature ensures perfect setup, and the easy slicing tool gets your designs ready with a single click. Plus, the printer's precision mode supports ultra-fine resolution, making even intricate designs a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, the AnkerMake M5C makes 3D printing simple, fast, and fun. The EcoFlow DELTA 2 is not just a battery, it's a time saver. Charge it from 0% to 80% in just 50 minutes and power almost all your appliances with ease. Portable and lightweight, it's designed for life on the go. Need eco-friendly energy? Harness the power of the sun and recharge in just 3 to 6 hours with solar panels. With smart app control, you're always in charge. Anytime, anywhere. And in emergencies, it's a lifesaver, providing instant switchover to keep your essentials running. Expandable from 1 to 3 kilowatt-hours, the Delta 2 offers energy storage that grows with your needs, bringing light, warmth, and reliability wherever you go. Built to last, its advanced LFP battery ensures years of performance. The EcoFlow DELTA 2 is power for life, wherever life takes you. Introducing Govee curtain lights, the perfect way to elevate your decor with vibrant, dynamic lighting. With 520 LEDs and a pixel-perfect 20x26 arrangement, these lights bring smooth animations and customizable GIFs to life. Get creative with the Govee app's DIY features. Design your own patterns or choose from a vast library of animations to match your mood or the occasion. Whether it's Christmas, Halloween, or any celebration, these lights adapt to your style. With over 200 preset modes, including music sync, your lights can dance to the rhythm, making every moment magical. Plus, smart control through Alexa, Google Assistant, or the Govee Home app means effortless customization. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, they're waterproof and durable. Govee curtain lights don't just light up your space, they transform it. Take your gaming to the next level with Backbone One, the system that transforms your phone into a serious gaming device. Introducing Backbone, the ultimate gaming companion. Stretch, snap, and get set to game like never before. Whether it's PlayStation, Xbox, or cloud gaming, Backbone lets you play across systems with ease. Seamlessly capture and share your best moments with the built-in 1080p recording feature and relive your victories anytime. With responsive controls, ultra-low latency, and compatibility with most devices, Backbone puts next-level play right in your hands. Ready to game? Backbone is ready for you. Introducing the East Oak Smokeless Fire Pit, designed to make your outdoor fires easier and cleaner than ever before. With its 2024 upgraded Fuoco model, cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable ash pan. Clean up in just 1 second. The conical airflow design delivers 120% more efficient combustion, ensuring a smokeless burn you can enjoy every time. Burn with confidence, knowing this fire pit is built to last. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's durable, heat-resistant, and perfect for any surface. Whether you're hosting a backyard gathering or relaxing outdoors, the East Oak Fuoco Fire Pit brings warmth and style to any setting. Enjoy a clean burn, effortless cleanup, and the ultimate outdoor experience with East Oak. The new edition Fuoco Fire Pit is here to elevate your fireside moments. Elevate your entertainment with the Denon AVR-S760H 7.2-channel AVR. Designed for the future, it's 8K ready with advanced upscaling and Dolby Atmos height virtualization for immersive 3D audio. Enjoy cutting-edge visuals with 3 dedicated 8K HDMI inputs supporting 8K 60Hz or 4K 120Hz pass-through. Whether it's gaming or movies, experience stunning clarity with HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and lag-free gaming features like VRR and All-M. Take your music further with Hios multi-room wireless speakers. Stream your favorite tunes via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or AirPlay. No extra hardware needed. Control it all hands-free with Alexa or Google Assistant. Change tracks, adjust volume, and switch inputs without lifting a finger. The Denon AVR-S760H, powerful sound, next-gen visuals, and total control at your fingertips. That's it for the top 6 Amazon Black Friday gadgets. Don't miss out. Links are in the description. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart shopping tips. Thanks for watching, and happy Black Friday shopping.